Hey guys, Dr. Mike here. Let's talk about men's health, specifically, a condition that affects millions of men worldwide: prostate cancer. Don't click away. This video could save your life, or the life of someone you love. We're going to break down the 8 early signs of prostate cancer so you can be informed and proactive about your health. Remember, early detection is key when it comes to successful treatment. Have you noticed that you're having trouble starting a urine stream? Or maybe you feel like you're not fully emptying your bladder? These could be signs of an enlarged prostate, which can be benign, or in some cases, a sign of prostate cancer. Listen guys, I know it can be uncomfortable to talk about these things, but ignoring these signs won't make them go away. If you're experiencing this, it's crucial to schedule a visit with your doctor to get checked out. Seeing blood in your urine is never normal, and it's definitely not something you should ignore. While it could be a sign of other conditions like a urinary tract infection, it can also be a symptom of prostate cancer. Don't panic, but don't delay either. Make an appointment with your doctor as soon as possible to determine the cause and get the appropriate treatment. We all experience back pain from time to time, but if you have persistent pain in your lower back, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms we've discussed, it's essential to consider prostate health. Prostate cancer can spread to the bones, and the lower back is a common area for this to occur. Don't just reach for pain relievers and hope for the best. Get yourself checked out by a medical professional. Chapter 4. Are you constantly finding yourself getting up to use the bathroom throughout the night? Frequent urination, especially at night, can be a sign of an enlarged prostate, which, as we've discussed, can be linked to prostate cancer. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you're making more trips to the bathroom than usual, it's time to talk to your doctor. Chapter 5. Intimacy should be enjoyable, not painful. If you're experiencing pain or discomfort during ejaculation, it could be a sign of a problem with your prostate. Don't suffer in silence or let embarrassment prevent you from seeking help. Talk to your doctor about your symptoms and get the answers you need. While erectile dysfunction can be caused by stress, anxiety, or other factors, it can also be an early sign of prostate cancer. This is because the nerves and blood vessels involved in erections are located close to the prostate. If you're experiencing ED, don't hesitate to speak with your doctor. It's important to rule out any underlying medical conditions. The pelvic area is home to many vital organs, including the prostate. If you're experiencing any discomfort, pressure, or pain in this region, it's essential to get it checked out. Prostate cancer can cause discomfort in the pelvic area, especially as it grows and puts pressure on surrounding tissues. Early detection is key, so don't delay seeking medical attention. While many people strive for weight loss, losing weight without making any changes to your diet or exercise routine can be a red flag. Unexplained weight loss can be a sign of several health conditions, including prostate cancer. If you're noticing the pounds dropping without explanation, it's crucial to consult with your doctor to rule out any serious underlying causes. Your health is your most valuable asset, guys. Remember, early detection is key when it comes to prostate cancer. If you experience any of the symptoms we've discussed, please, don't hesitate to schedule a visit with your doctor. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Additionally, we have a ton of resources available on maintaining a healthy prostate, including diet and lifestyle tips, so be sure to check those out as well. Don't ignore your body's messages. Acting in time could save your life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread awareness about men's health together.